name's Andrew Reed. Truck's out of Grayson, Kentucky. Pull a step deck conestoga. Haul just about anything that'll fit on the trailer. Truck's a 2007 379. Everything on it was done in-house, paint and everything else. Got a 18-speed C16 Cat. Just a good old truck, pre-emission.
Yeah.
So yeah. The owner of the company, Jackie Lewis, there, that's his trucks, and they're out of Grayson and everything. And
okay.
Great guy, really good guy.
Okay.
I've been with Jackie for almost a year now. Good company to work for. Got his own mechanics and everything. Like I said, they painted it all in shop. I've always been a company driver, and I started out at TMC. That's where I started out. Then I went to hauling steel for MSR and out of Ohio, and we used to pull steel coils and stuff too on Michigan doubles.
Okay.
And then we switched over to the flatbed side of things, So yeah, it's been a pretty good move.
What do you guys tend to haul mostly, or is it?
Haul a lot of conveyor parts for Amazon.
Okay.
A lot of these new Amazons that they're building are ones that they're redoing or something like that.
Yeah.
We haul a lot of their conveyor parts in there, and then still haul some steel and stuff like that. A lot of building supplies, like sheet metal and stuff like that. We don't really fool with lumber all that much. Haul onions back up out of Texas and stuff like that. Later, this truck up until I think June of last year was actually orange and purple.
Okay.
And it was like a two-tone orange and purple, and then they brought it in the shop and took the cab and sleeper off of it. We got it down to bare frame rails and just completely redid the truck. One of the guys at the shop, like all these are all painted on. It's not vinyl or anything like that.
Stripes.
Yeah. And he laid those out by hand and painted, like I said, painted everything on it. I mean, a heck of a job on it.
Yeah.
And then the pinstriping, they did the pinstriping out of Ashland, Kentucky. Xtreme Pinstriping did that.
Okay.
So he came out and just pretty much said, make it, do whatever you want with it, and he did an awesome job on it. Yeah, the owner's got one, and then his son's got a 359.
Oh wow.
Yeah, really, really nice trucks. And then he's got one truck that's like a tow truck, and then there's two others that run with me and stuff. Yeah, definitely a good business. A good move. It's a good place to work. It had the wood grain dash in it, but it was starting to peel a little bit.
Okay.
And so I was scrolling through TikTok one day, and I found him on there, and I sent him a message, and he ended up doing it for a really good deal. Found the guy on TikTok, and is Rip It Up Customs out of Michigan, and I just took pictures of my dash and sent it to him because it was peeling, and he sent me back, asked if I wanted just the aluminum, or if I wanted the aluminum painted or wrapped or whatever.
Right.
And I told him I just wanted it painted white, and he sent it to me within a week. I mean, everything was cut out, matched perfect. Now I've got a few extra switches in there for drop axles and a knob in there to adjust air pressure on a drop axle. And everything was cut out perfect. Just take the old one out and put the new one in, and you were good to go.
It was just like an easy install.
Yeah, for sure. I'd definitely do business with him again. I mean, he's a young kid, and he was talking to him about it, and he said, he got tired of working for somebody else, and he put, his whole life savings into starting that, and he's really making it, and he's really putting out a good product. After I finally made my mind up what I wanted to do, he was waiting on me, but after I finally made my mind up what I wanted to do with it, wasn't a week, maybe a week and a half, and the dash was at my door. I mean, real easy to get along with and reasonably priced. I mean, painted dash like that, the panels that are all aluminum was $600. So, I mean, really reasonably priced. It's got more red lighting on the inside. Got Roll Cool Customs made some lights that go above the map lights above your head. Say Big Iron moves at night whenever you light it up. Other than that, it's pretty original right now. Just got the 22-inch retro steering wheel, and then all the chrome bezels and switch covers and everything else. We're gonna put some fiberglass floors in it and do the paint scheme like the outside of the truck with the two stripes and everything. I love that truck.
You treat it like it's your own.
Yeah, if I had a dream truck, it'd be that one right there. I mean, it's it's definitely something I've always dreamed about, driving a truck like that.